guys, so today is our last day in Naples. We are currently packing up all our stuff, getting ready to check out, and then we're gonna get on our cruise. So before that, we're gonna go do a bit of exploring. I think we're just like walking around, doing more sightseeing. I'm not feeling well, so my energy is a bit low today. I think it's just because I'm not used to eating like so much carbs. Like I feel like all there is to eat is pasta and pizza here. Like I desperately need some Asian food in me. Yeah, I think we'll get that on the ship though. Our checkout time is at 11, so I think that's in like 30 minutes, so we gotta hurry up. We're staying near the port, so our ship is already here. It's like right over there. Hope you guys can see that.
It looks big.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's so big. I don't know if that's considered big or if it's just us not knowing or not being on a ship before. But that looks massive.
It's the newest ship, I think, on Princess Cruises, and it's going to be our first cruise ever. Yeah, so we're going to get on our ship in a few hours after exploring. I can't wait because our sleep schedule has been so inconsistent from coming home late and waking up early.
What's the first thing you're going to do when you get on the ship?
Well, I just want to lay in the bed, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, tell them what you're going to do.
Well, so I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to go in the pool after.
What, already?
Yeah.
That's so quick.
No time.
Yeah, it's been really hot, so I think I will probably join him in the pool as well.
Yeah.
Call you, no reason. Give me something to believe in. You always understand. Am I still reaching? Every time I think about what I've been through, these moments lead me back to you. It's you I need to always be. The way you see it through the every time. Maybe it's you when I let go. Don't know how to tell the truth, picking it right. All I want is you. Everything you do from the outside feels like you just wanna waste all my time. All I want is you. All the nights that I practice what to say in my head never comes out the way I intended. All the ways I try to say to you, you somehow understand. I see it's true. It's you I need to always be. The way you see it through the every time. Maybe it's you when I let go. Don't know how to tell the truth, picking it right. All I want is you. Everything you do from the outside feels like you just wanna waste all my time. All I want is you.
What do you think of this place?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's more of an okay, let's go.
So we got some calamari to eat
Yeah.
from the street market.
Okay.
I thought it'd be crispy.
Yeah.
We're trying our first cannoli in Italy.
Yo,
We got,
show the showcase, yo.
oh yeah,
Look
look it
at
up.
that. Good things that way.
Yeah, we got one chocolate and one pistachio.
Yeah.
We didn't want to like have a big one. I don't know. I feel like it might be too much. Is it good?
Yes, Nutella.
Nutella?
Chocolate
Right.
Nutella.
Right.
Scorda Nutella.
I didn't expect it to be so hard.
Yeah, it's like
I thought it was soft, but it's crunchy. You like it?
yeah.
Call you, no reason. Give me something to believe in. You always understand. Am I still reaching? Every time I think about what I've been through, these moments lead me back to you. It's you I need, it'll always be. The way you see it through me every time. Maybe it's you when I let go, don't know how to tell the truth and get it right.
We're walking to check in now.
Yeah, check it.
Wait, I don't have the mic on, but
I think you do. Okay, big ass forehead.
So rude.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, we're walking to check in now. We just dropped off our luggage, but we decided to keep our backpacks because it could take a while before they drop off our bags at our room.
Call you, no reason. Give me something to believe in. You always understand. Am I still reaching? Every time I think about what I've been through, these moments lead me back to you. It's you I need, it'll always be.
We're walking to our rooms now. our second round of food because we're so hungry. The shawarma was really good though.
It was good, yeah.
Yeah. What are your first impressions?
Yo, the pizza here is better than what we had in... Did I have pizza in Rome? Yeah, I had
Yeah, you
pizza in
did.
Rome. Yeah, better than what I had in Rome and Naples. I know there's some people that are going to be wanting to beat my ass for saying that, but honestly, it's just the truth. But yeah, the food's pretty good here. We just went to eat. We still have more back to do, but...
The room is really nice. I like how there's a lot of storage because the room is small, so it's good to have lots of storage.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just finished eating shawarma and tacos. Both really good.
Yeah.
I was starving.
We were starving, and then now we're gonna go explore the ship a little bit just so we know what everything is. We need to go look for the gym. Yeah, it's gonna be. Why are you laughing?
I don't know. I don't know if you're actually gonna work out.
I am. Gym, like I can work out when we get back from the excursion, so it doesn't have to be early in the morning. Gym is gonna be on
Wait,
the
you're
18th.
gonna be tired after the excursion.
So
Okay.
no pain, no gain. Anyway, so
I'm definitely gonna work out on vacation.
you said you brought a set of clothes, right, to go with me. So
Okay.
yeah, I know. So let's go explore this floor, and then we'll go up, and then we'll make our way down. Okay.
It's the ping pong table, so we're gonna go play.
First to what?
5.
Okay.
We played when we were in Cancun, and unfortunately I slipped and fell. But this time I'm gonna redeem myself. So we're gonna do first to 5. You ready?
Call you, no reason. Give me something to believe in. You always understand. Am I still reaching? Every time I think about what I've been through, these moments lead me back to you. It's you I need to always be. The way you see it through me every time. Maybe it's you when I let go. Don't know how to tell the truth, can't get it right. All I want is you. All I want is you. Everything you do from the outside feels like you just wanna waste all of my time. All I want is you. All I want is you. All the nights that I practice what to say in my head never comes out the way I intended. All the words I try to say to you, you somehow understand. I see it's true. It's you I need to always be. The way you see it through me every time. Maybe it's you when I let go. Don't know how to tell the truth, can't get it right. All I want is you. All I want is you. Everything you do from the outside feels like you just wanna waste all of my time. All I want is you. All I want is you. All I want is you.
Hey guys, we just came back from watching the welcome party. It was really fun, and
Loud.
yeah, and apparently the 4th most popular nationality are Canadians, and then obviously number 1 is US. I was surprised at how many Australians are on this shift. They came in second place. So yeah, now we're just chilling on this hammock, and at 10 o'clock we're gonna go to a comedy show.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's funny because I don't know, I don't have high expectations.
I'm watching these guys play chess over there.
Oh yeah, there's like a is it called life size? Life
I
size?
wouldn't say life size, like
Okay, well,
maybe baby size.
no, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, it's like a large chess thing here. I don't know what else to say about it. There's also a basketball court, but obviously we will not be playing that because
Why not?
well, I don't really like.
You're
I
pretty
don't
good
really.
at basketball, right?
Okay, we play table tennis or ping pong.
And I beat her like 2 times.
I beat him twice. So the first game we did, whoever's first to 5 points, I beat him. And then the second game we did was whoever was first to 11 points, and I also beat him again. I think it's my dad's ping pong skills are in me, you know. Anyways, it's been a great first day so far. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good so far.
Yeah. It's so dark. It's actually kind of scary. Like.
Oh, like on the outside?
Yeah, like you can't even see anything.
There's like a walking track. People walking down here.
Wait, where?
What do you mean on the outside?
Oh, I thought you meant something else.
No, this lady down here has done like 3 laps already since we were here.
We just finished watching the comedy show. It was pretty funny.
Yeah, the guy's pretty funny. Apparently he's a known comedian or something. Like it's not his first time.
Yeah.
So that was good.
He has another show tomorrow night. So we're gonna go again because he said he's gonna have new jokes. So I'm
New
excited.
jokes and dirtier apparently. So we'll see what that's about.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, he said his dad is like his dad's a politician and there's some shit that happened, but yeah, it was funny. It was funny, most of it.
Now we're gonna
What
go
do you
get
rate it?
dessert. Oh, I rate it 8 out of 10. What about you?
Yeah, probably like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow will be a 9 or 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
We'll see. I guess we'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna go get dessert now.
Get dessert and then call it a day. It's like 11 almost.
Yeah, because we have to wake up early tomorrow.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's good, yo.
It's good?
Heavy. It's not too heavy.
Yeah. No, I wanted to get fruit after the show, but they didn't have any. They only had like pastries, and I don't really want to eat something sweet. Good?
Yeah, it's good. It's really good. It's light too.
Out of 10, how much?
It's an 8 out of 10. Let me taste the tiramisu.
Okay.
Oh, they didn't even soak it. Okay. Yeah, it's good.
Probably not as good as the chocolate.
Yeah, I would say like 7.5. 7.5 out of 10. But it's good though. Should I mix it?
Yeah, go ahead.